This is the second video on how to modify our Wix site, which manages our Kaizen Hub webpage. So when you go to wix.com, click sign in, and our credentials are the same. wolftraining@gmail.com, password, you know the drill. So we log into it, and we're going to hit our dashboard on Wix. Very clean. We have one thing there, Kaizen Hub. We're going to click Edit Website. When we click it, we're going to get this HTML editor, and it loads basically a drag and drop and some Wix toolbars that we're going to use to manage our site. So if you want to learn more about Wix, there's plenty of tutorials they provide, but a quick snapshot. Here's your toolbar on the left-hand side. You have pages, design, add market, and settings. You're really only going to be concerned with the pages portion of it all and maybe some of the settings, but we'll get to that in a little bit. Another thing that's important to note is here's how you navigate from page to page. So your first step is to add a new page. So we're going to click Pages, and underneath Kaizen Events, I'm assuming that all you're going to be adding is a Kaizen newspaper. So you're going to come down to the new Kaizen and click the gearbox, which is the page settings icon. Once you click this, it cascades out, and you have options. We're going to click Duplicate, because this is how our template's going to be made for any Kaizen newspaper. So with having the Kaizen newspaper in mind, we're going to title it after that. So for this one, it's going to be Clip Standardization. I'm going to click OK. So it's important that we hide it from the menu because the menu is up here, but we still want to have the page to exist so we can link to it. Everything else you can ignore for the time being because it doesn't affect you. So we're going to click Done. Once we have the clip standardization, you come here, there's the page right there. So you're on the page right now, and you can see this is the template. So you have a video box here, and you have your Google Docs thing right here. So when you click the video icon, you can double click it, and here's the YouTube video URL. So all you have to do is go to YouTube, and at the very bottom you go to settings, and it will tell you the URL, and I'll show you how to do this, and you paste it there, and it will change the YouTube video that's embedded in the web page. And then over here, we have the same thing. We have our HTML code. This is what we copied to our notepad previously. This is why it was important. So we're going to come back to our notepad, and we're going to copy our previous link, paste it in. We're going to copy the width and height portion. We're going to paste it after frame, and we're going to delete the rest. Now it's linking to a different Google Doc. We're going to click Update. As soon as it updates, now we have the clip standardization that shows up. So as you can see, the page truncated part of the width, so you can play with the width dimensions by changing the amount of pixels that are shown. This is kind of a little bit of guess and check. You can leave it around 752. It's going to go outside the mobile optimization. You can see that the scrolling here will change as you change these things. We're going to go back to this where it was at. This is standard. We should probably update the Kaizen newspapers to reflect this. The next step is to go to the YouTube video and find the Kaizen event here. And so searching in the YouTube, I can't find a clip standardization, but here's a info for takeoff. So we're going to go and pause the video. And if you scroll down to share, it gives you a share this video, embed, or email. We're going to click embed, and you can either go this route and it'll give you the size of the video that it'll be embedded by, or you just take the URL here, the little short link. We're going to copy that, go back to our Wix editor, double click the existing video, and paste over the link, and click update. As soon as you click update, we now have a new YouTube video there. And the final step is to go down to the project management location where it's noted as a title. And we're going to title this Clip Standardization. So we can in the way. Clip Standardization so the page is named correctly. And retitle it, or it was 731. And we're going to come up here and click Save. The next step is going to our Kaizen Events page. So we're going to click there on the page link, and we have this list on the left of previous Kaizen events. So there's our header. We click the list. So if you double click the list. All right. Now let me pick it. There we go. So if you click this top little icon, it gives you the whole list. We're going to click Add Item, and it's on the title. You can drag it along the list. So we're keeping it chronologically. Click Edit. Go to Clip Standardization as the name. It's going to ask you for an image. We're going to remove the image, and then it's going to ask you to go to Options. All these different ordeals you can go to. I'm going to Edit, and then right here we're going to Link button and go to Page, and then we're going to select Page, and we're going to click Clip Standardization. Click OK. That's it. Now you have the Clip Standardization. So when you go to Preview, you scroll down, you click Clip Standardization, and it takes you to your newly built Kaizen web page. That's it. That's everything you need to do to get it done. And you need to click Save. And as soon as you click Save, you click Publish, and everything is now live on the web. That's it.